I love sushi, but to be honest, I never make it at home, and I don't know why, because it's so easy, particularly because you can get sushi rice everywhere in your supermarket now. Now with sushi rice, you need to add some flavouring, but we don't add it while it's cooking. We'll add that after it's cooked. So my ratio is 1 cup of sushi rice, and we'll measure that out accurately, of course. And you'll see that sushi rice is a short grain rice, and as it cooks it becomes quite sticky, which is fantastic for sushi because it makes it quite pliable. So now we need to wash it. Grab some water and we'll pop that into the strainer. We just want to wash off a little of the starch. Now this goes into a pot along with 1.5 cups of water. So it's completely submerged. I'll turn the heat on, and now this is going to come up to the boil. Once it's boiling, I'll turn it down to a gentle simmer, pop the lid on, and it's going to cook for about 15 minutes or until all of that water has absorbed. After that, I want to allow it to sit for about 15 minutes before we go on to the next stage. The rice has been sitting for 15 minutes, so now it's time to season it with some vinegar and sugar. So I'll place this into a wooden bowl. You can just use any bowl you like. And then we'll separate the grains. And now I'll rain over some caster sugar, a generous pinch of salt, and the rice wine vinegar. Now mix in the sugar and the vinegar, and there you have it. That is our sushi rice ready to wrap. You can put this with anything you like, even just sushi bowls, but these cones are a lot of fun. I've got some nori wrappers here, and I've just cut them in half with my scissors. I'll place that down. We'll add some of our rice to one side. You can see how pliable it is. And now this is my favourite combination, a hint of mayonnaise, some tuna, good quality canned tuna, pop that in the centre, a piece of avocado, and some sesame seeds. Now to wrap it in a cone, I'll place this strip into my left hand and then carefully just wrap everything together into a cone shape. Nice and tight. And then this last little bit, to ensure that it stays in its spot, just grab a few grains of rice and just squish it on the base there. It'll act just like glue. There you go, sushi cone. A really fun way to get everyone at home involved. They can make their own cones, delicious. So yummy.